Everest? You're going for a walk. Come on. Girl. Oh, what a good girl you are. Yeah. Come on. Girl. Yeah. Hey, Nosy. Nosy. Sit. Sit. Sit down so I can see your face. Where's your face? Where's your pretty face? Where's your pretty face, Ev? Ev, sit. What? Sit. Sit. Yes. Come on. Sit. Hey, you're looking around at other people instead of looking at me. Everest. Sit. 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 Come on. No, you don't want to sit today. You're being stubborn. Come on. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Come on. You can sit. Everest, you're being embarrassing. Yes, because you can see people across the street, but you need to sit down. Leave the people alone. Yes, they're busy doing their thing. They're not worried about you. Sit down. You need to sit. Thank you. Sit. 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 Good. What was all that about? You refuse to listen. Hey? Gonna keep walking? Come on. Keep your walk up. Good girl. Look how good you're walking. Look at that. I'm hardly even holding the lead, see? She's just walking quite happily. Good girl. Good girl. She loves her walks. Don't you, Ev? You're very good with your walks. Hey. Just look. Very steadily. Just chilling out, aren't we, Ev? We're just chilling out. Yes, you're just chilling. You're just chilling out. You like your walks.